Welcome to Ugly Dolls, where they're weird and wonderful all day, every day. This is Dance Moves Moxy. She's an exclusive that will come out in the fall. Her voice is by Kelly Clarkson in the new movie that's coming out May 3rd for Ugly Dolls. She has 3 different modes. She has her dance mode, her hug mode, and her reporter mode. She's a reporter in the movie. When she's in her heart mode, she will give you encouraging phrases. When she's in her reporter mode, she'll ask you questions and encourage you to interact with her. She sings a song from the opening of the movie that couldn't be better than this.
Hello, gorgeous. Let's check out how you look today. Short and stubby, nubby, dance out on full display. Your pinkish red got this thing on your head, and whoa, dance with me.
And she's also action motivated, so she'll come alive when the more you dance with her, she'll come alive longer.
It may be upside, backwards, and front side down, but it's just let me see your hands. Yep. What could ever be? Let me see your hands. Down there. What makes you feel brave? What is
so she'll interact back and forth
special?
with the kids and encourage them to keep asking them questions.